Hello Hillwood, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Lauren.
Here's what's happening at HMS.
Peter Pan is this week. You can see the show Thursday and Friday night at 7:30 p.m. and Saturday at 2:30 p.m.
Peter Pan performers, you have rehearsal after school until 6.
Central High School will be hosting Fish Camp for all incoming 9th graders on August 5th and August 9th. Members of band, cross country, tennis, lightning dancers, and football need to sign up for August 5th.
Members of volleyball and cheerleading need to sign up for August 9th. ROTC students will need to check with their supervisor. You may sign up online or pick up a registration form in the HMS counseling office.
Online registrations and payments are due July 8th. Registration forms and payments can be turned into the main office at Central High School until July 14th. The fee is $10. That includes lunch and a t-shirt.
Foster Ridge will be hosting Fish Camp on August 9th from 1 to 2:30 p.m. Fish Camp is free, but if you would like to order a Fish Camp and 9th grade class t-shirt, go to the Fossil Ridge High School website school store link. Once you set up your account, please search FISH to find the order form. Letters will be mailed home with this information.
Entries for the Book Inspired Art Contest are due May 27th. See Mrs. Harris for more details.
8th graders, Playday is Friday. Sign up your basketball team for the legendary Jim Joros Invitational 3-on-3 tournament at lunch or in Mr. Nevitt's room.
You can sign up for the volleyball tournament with Coach Pulis. You can play in both the basketball and volleyball tournament.
Here's what else has happened at HMS.
HMS.
Finally!
All right, Huskies, this is especially for all you 8th graders. It's about Playday that's happening here next Friday, May 20th. Make sure you have all your library books turned in and library fines paid or you can't participate. Stay out of trouble so you don't miss out on, get kicked out of it on this last day. Some things that you need to know is, one, we need watermelons. We want to have a watermelon station because what's better on a hot sunny day than ice cold watermelon to eat? So if you want to have that as part of your play day, we need watermelons donated. You can bring them to my room, which is room 205, and I'll take them from there. Don't forget to sign up for your basketball tournaments, your volleyball tournaments. PTA has been working hard getting everything planned out for this day. We do have a plan B for rain, which does not include playing in the rain, but we'll have everything ready to roll for whatever weather conditions come our way. See you next week.
This is not the end of me. This is the beginning. This is not the end of me. This is the beginning. This is not the end of me. This is the beginning. This is not the end of me. This is the beginning. This is not the end of me. This is the beginning. This is not the end of me. This is the beginning.